It's your boy Phoenix checking in with you this morning, man. It's early. I'm up in front of a little gig that I just got this week that I do on the side from 4 in the morning to 8. So it's like 4 hours, you know what I mean, that I do every other day or when I'm not busy, you know what I'm saying, going and doing some inventory, stocking some shelves. So easy money, love networking. So really I just shot the video, man, just to let you know, man, when things are slow, man, network, you know what I mean? Don't never stop the network, you know what I mean? If you can make $10.50 an hour to go stock some shelves and it's not hard work and you under the AC and meeting and greeting people, I mean, that's easy money, man. Get your money, you know what I mean? I don't knock it no type of way. I'm a certified welder, but I'm still going to stock these shelves because I ain't doing nothing at the moment, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to get money all the way around the clock. And that's what you got to do if you're going to survive and really do something in this day of society. You know what I mean? You got to be independent and you got to be willing to get up off your ass, man, to make something happen. So I'm up early anyway. You know what I mean? I was raised with the early bird, so I'm up early getting a little money. Then once I get done with this, I'm going to go get some big money. So that's how it is. Hog on Welding.